everyone, today I'm very excited because I'm going to unbox this gift. I'm very excited to open it, so time to unbox it. Wait, it seems like a slate. Let's keep opening. Whoa! Ouch, my hand gloves got stuck. What is this? I'm trying to open it for my papa. Wait, I can't open this. Let me try. Let's take out the tape first. My papa's going to take out it. I'm really excited.
You have to write something else.
I'm going to write something and you have to tell me. Wait, this is my old slate. Let's erase this. Why isn't it erasing? Oh, it's made already. It's not erasing. What can I do? So guys, it looks like this. Let's draw something. I'm making a big heart. I won't tell you.